Welcome back to Blocker Top 20 Countdown. And you don't know it's your girl, Dian. So when you take a girl, man, my son, if you take it with respect. Raga Shanti Bukaru say when you take a girl, man, you have to take him with respect. I'm have none other than the girl Champion with me. Champion. Welcome to Blocker Top 20 Countdown. No, I don't know why you chose that rule from Raga Shanti's book a rule. Now me like other people and your critics want to know why you choose that rule, Champion.
Because me I take a girl man with respect, so me have to talk about it.
Nah, like she take a girl man, she really a take him with respect and she know for take him because the ear a go on, eyelash a go on, all the shoes a go, cameraman take in our stilettos. And all the gold chain, I like it. Things that me must spend, money I spend.
I mean, once you take him with respect, yeah, him have to spend.
So you know, so when him there home, you know, call him, no so. You know, bother him, you just leave him with wifey.
Yeah, my time and my time, money I spend, so me have to look good.
Me have to come and take him from you because you take him from wifey. And me I go take him from you because I must spend a lot. So that 3 times the amount of money he must spend, so more for me. And less for you and wifey. What you say?
No man, that can't happen.
You can't. But me I take him with respect. And that you and Blocker say. So I go take him with respect.
Try your luck.
Me I tell you, me have to ask. And I know your fan them want to know. What was the inspiration behind that song?
It's just a situation I'm in right now, and I'm just talking about it.
Boy, Champion, it leads me to ask the question whether or not this man, follow me people, man is local or overseas.
Both.
He's both local or overseas. So, were you born here in Jamaica?
Yes, Jamaica born, living in America.
Like at what year? Like at what year or years old did you leave Jamaica to go overseas?
Well, leave Jamaica when I was 5. Moved to a small Dutch island called St. Eustatius. Then leave from there. Moved to America when I was 11.
I'm going to ask you now, like I know a lot of people don't know where St. Eustatius is. Can I just give us an idea so we know exactly where it is and what you're talking about?
St. Eustatius is a small Dutch island in between St. Martin and St. Kitts.
How was your experience there?
It was good. It was real good.
And then you left for the United States?
Yeah, left there when I was about 11 to Waterbury, Connecticut.
So you attended school here in Jamaica, right?
Basic school.
Like you don't remember the basic school still?
See what drive basic school.
See what drive? So you're actually living down there in the Waterhouse side?
Yes, the Waterhouse side, see what drive, Olympic Garden, around there.
So how was it growing up in that particular area at that time?
I love it there. Love it. Still love it. I wish I could move back there.
So you're actually not here now. You're still living in the States?
Oh, still living in America right now.
Oh, so you're just out here promoting your new single?
Yes, back and forth.
How has the reception been for you here in Jamaica? How you feel ladies are drawn to the song and they're receptive of it?
Yes, a lot of ladies can relate to it, especially in Connecticut. They love it there. They have it as their ringtone. Everybody love it.
And then out here, you find you're getting the same treatment as you would in Connecticut?
I'm getting the same love from both Jamaica and Connecticut. Everybody love it. The girls them love it. Have it as their ringtone. Everybody love the song.
Now, everybody has a history. Now, some people started out singing at church, others at school, some people both. So where is it that you got started?
Okay, I was a church girl back in St. Eustatius. It was all about church choir, school. That was all.
Did you at any point entered any talent competition while you were there?
Church competition, because my church was strictly all about church. I couldn't go outside and do any competition. But I would always sneak in the bathroom and play my dancehall and my reggae quietly.
So how it was working with Blacker? Because a lot of people say that Blacker is exciting, him adventurous, him know him thing, and he's like a director and a producer and an artist, man, and everything in a one. But what it is that you have to say about Blacker?
Like you said, he's a director, producer, songwriter, everything in one person. So he's a good teacher, and I respect him for that.
So we can assume, or then we can therefore draw a conclusion that the trainee might soon become the trainer of the trainer who trained the trainee.
Definitely, most definitely. It's gonna take a while, but most definitely.
Boy, Champion, man, nah lie. Before I go no further, we have to talk about the video. Because you look hot in the video when you're whining. Yeah, go on. I love it. I love it. I don't know who are the director, but it's clean and pretty.
The video was shot by Dinner Flames. He was the director with his assistant, Dino. So they showed me a lot.
Boy, man, tell you, who's a fluffy girl can't whine. But I see, Champion, you put on a piece of wine in it, How you learn to do the Jamaican wine so bad and you live a foreigner? That me want to know.
It's still in my blood. Still in my blood.
Still have the whining thing, man, I tell you. But boy, Champion, boy, I love the setting. You understand? I would like to know exactly where you shot that video.
The video was shot Breton community, phase 1. So big up everybody that lived there. And they showed me love. Everybody came outside and looking, cheer me on. It was a good turnout.
Boy, may I tell you people, you never see smoke without fire, That's why the one Blacker sneak around the place, Blacker just sneaking out the video and make the people them see you, because you're hot, so.
Yes, I'm here, Dian. What's up?
Boy, I'm there, I support your thing, you look good, Blacker. I like it.
No, you look good there. No, I'm going to tell you, you're hot, so I like it. People, you don't know, Champion is here. You know, we're talking about the video. Well, we have the new song in our people. It named Tempted. Yeah, so you know, so sometimes, like when I see Dian, right? That's a no. You know, so in other like something, I'm just tempted. No. Yeah, so we're going to do this exclusively. We're going to look a please because you don't know Dian is here and you don't know the lovely Champion is here. So
last night I saw you with your girl, but your eyes keep saying you want me in your world.
Hey, baby, I could not help it because your body were pulling me like a magnet.
It's that you say to every chick when you want us to fall in love with you quick.
Hey, baby, if that's the way you feel, give me a chance to show you I'm real. In everything when me do, my love is contagious, it hit you like a flu.
True.
I will never hurt you, boo. The way I love you, I will take care of you, yeah.
It's that you saying now, when you get what you want, you keep playing now. When I call your phone, you're not answering. You just look at it and let it keep on ringing.
Yeah, no, sir. People, let me tell you about the one there. The one that I got mad. It's Champion. It's Blacker. Exclusively on Links TV. Well, you don't know, I have to give Dian much love. Bad interview. Champion is here. Well, Champion, what more you have to do now is just give the people them all the network where them can get you on.
Champion is all over. Facebook, Champion. Champion is spelled CHAMPIANN. Twitter, same thing. Facebook, same thing. Instagram, same thing. So check out my like page. Again, Champion is CHAMPIANN.
I say nothing to people to get it. I don't know for booking. You see the Links TV number want us to come up in the box? Just call the number there. I want to get linked to Champion. People, she's representing the divas of dancehall. She lovely. Everybody love her. The song is blowing up. The video is blowing up. Respect. Links TV. Blacker is here. Top 20 countdown. Remember to watch Dian. She's the new host on Links. Our program is mad and it turn up loud. So watch her. Much love Dian for do this wonderful job. Saying big up to Champion and Blacker. Nobody hyper.